You are searching how to buy shares of Wilhelmsen Holding ASA, a global maritime transport and logistics company listed on Euronext under the ticker WWIB.OL. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To purchase the stock, you need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker WWIB.OL to find the listing. Select the result that clearly matches Wilh Wilhelmsen Holding ASA on Euronext. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the live price chart. Confirm the company name and the WWIB.OL ticker to ensure this is the correct stock. Click the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, and choose any available order settings. Review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and the platform will ask you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio, and you can monitor it there. A link to eToro is included in the description if you want to explore the platform.